Are your DIY layers at home looking very choppy? Or even if you come home from a haircut and you're like, okay, why do I see all these steps in my hair? What is going on? It literally comes down to not having the layers blended, or what I like to use the term connected. Because when you think about it, everything has to be blended and connected. What does that mean? So if I'm going to comb this hair out from the head, okay? And let's just say I cut a piece like this. This hair has to eventually fall. Now, if I do anything to where I'm going into this next section and I change my arm positioning or my hand positioning, okay, let's just say I'm going to drop my arms, my elbow like this. So now the hair it goes from this to this, and then let's just say that I'm going to twist it towards me, and I take that whole piece, I chomp that whole piece off, and then I go down and I grab this and I go, oh, you know what? Let me hold it out this way again. So you've not only cut the entire one section differently, you've used different arm positioning, you've changed your hands, you've changed so many things just in that one section. And if this is happening to you from a hair professional, they're literally doing the same thing. They're not connecting the hair the right way. They're not following the contour of the head. They're not cutting it at the right angles. They're inconsistent with their arm positioning, their hand positioning, their body position. There's so many factors to why a professional will butcher your hair, or what I like to say, put a crime scene on your head. And it's the same thing if you're doing it yourself. That is why you need to understand what haircutting really is about. And if you are attempting to do DIY haircuts at home, I always say, good luck, do it at your own risk, see a professional who is skilled, and they're out there. Obviously, there's really, really talented hair professionals with any craft, any trade. There's awful plumbers, awful landscapers, awful barbers, it all comes down to not all of us are perfect. If you understand the method that I teach as far as hair cutting goes, when you've basically got the top, the corners, and sides, and you follow this pattern, you can't go wrong, because you're following a method that literally is designed around what is natural, but also how it's going to grow out. Okay, the hair grow out process is just as important, but seeing the choppiness, seeing the layers that are uneven or the steps in the hair, that literally stems from how you hold it out from the head. If I hold it straight up like this, which is technically layering, it's a technique, I'm cutting this out that way. Now, if I hold on to this piece and I comb this out, you're gonna see a corner. That corner is a weight line. If I cut this corner, AKA that longer piece, and I then follow this pattern, I'm continuing this to where everything is blending into itself. When I comb this back, it literally is seamless. It's perfect. There's no steps in the hair because I followed the proper layering technique. If you're cutting the hair to where you do the same thing, except here you go out from the head, right here you drop it down like this, here you lift it up again, it's because you're leaving a corner. You're not cutting all the hair that needs to be cut. So it's creating a weight line. It's creating a step in the hair. And that is the reason why you're not getting this. Look, when I brush this back, look how nice that flows in. This goes for men's hair. This goes for women's hair. Any sort of haircut, in order for it to feather back like this, perfectly even Steven, it's simply because everything has to be blended and connected. There's no steps. It's all a nice flow. So again, trying to do this yourself at home, do it at your own risk. However, if you are looking to understand why you're seeing steps, or when you come home from your haircut, the hair professional butchered you. Now you have to call Steven, the hair detective, to come down, evaluate the crime scene, and patch it up and fix it up, all right? So There you go. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have a hair crime scene currently on your head right now. I also offer virtual consultations. It's a VIP one-on-one Zoom call where I analyze your hair, I break it down, I tell you what's going to be best for you. I create images of haircuts that I suggest for you, and it's a really unique 30-minute premium VIP experience. I have people from all over the world doing these with me on a weekly basis, and I invite you to explore it and check it out. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you soon.